Want to know how to make your doodle and artwork dance and be funny and walk around? Well, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to teach you how to animate a 2D drawing that you drew on paper, and it's so easy that a 5-year-old can do it. So let's get started. Here on a blank white piece of paper, you can start by drawing the character that you want. If you're not sure what character to draw, you can follow along and draw what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing a boy. So here I'm just going to do the top of his hat, it's a semicircle, and then this line here that draws across, and then a curved line here to show the rim of the hat. Here I'm going to add some ears for the boy and then also some hair. So for my hair, it's going to be like kind of these pointy curved lines, but of course you can have a bowl cut. You can draw like the hair strand by strand if you like, or you can have a ponytail. You can really have fun with your drawing. For the eyes, I'm just doing 2 dots and a U in the middle for the smile. Of course, use your imagination. Feel free to like draw bigger eyes, or like maybe grumpy eyes, or like eyelashes or eyebrows to show their expression. Next, I'm going to draw the body. In order to animate this character, I think it's really helpful if you make it very clear and distinct where the body starts, where the head starts, and where the arms and the legs are. It'll make it a lot easier to animate. But doesn't mean that you can't animate like blobs or other characters. You can always like try it out, and if it doesn't work out the first time, draw another character and try again. So here you can see I drew the arms of the characters, and here's the hand, and I'll do the other hand as well. I'm just drawing the characters standing, and of course we're going to make it jump and dance and do funny things later on once we are wrapped up. So here I'm just drawing the foot, and then I want to draw in the shoes as well. So here is my outline. I have my black marker that I've used to draw this character. Of course you can add in colors, and I think that will make it look so much more interesting. So here I'm going to use my Crayola marker just to color in my characters. I try to color in the lines, but it's not always perfect, but that's okay. Now, if you've gotten this part in the video so far, if you like the content on this channel, I appreciate it very much if you would consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for considering. And let's continue with this video on how to animate your 2D characters. So here I'm just coloring it in. I'm going to show you the rest of my coloring process, and then we're going to hop onto how to make it animated on the website. And everything is completely free. This is not a sponsored video, but I just want to show you this like really fun way to animate your 2D characters that I learned, and my kids had so much fun with it. And I don't think it's just for kids. I think it's like fun for adults as well. So let's continue coloring our character. So here is my character. I'm basically done giving you a closer look at how it looks like. Oh, I forgot the little ribbon on his hat. I should probably color that in as well. But of course, this is not the end of the video. We're going to try to animate this character and make it so much fun. So let's start by coloring it in with this ribbon on the top. What you need to do next after you finish this part is to take a picture of your drawing. So it could be on your phone, doesn't need to be fancy, but take a picture of it. One of the recommendations when you're drawing is to make sure to draw on a blank white piece of paper, nothing crinkled, and that will make it so much easier for you to animate it. So now that you have the picture on your phone, let's go to the website. It's called Animated Drawings. So this is how it looks like. It brings children's drawing to life, but I think it can bring adult drawings to life as well. So here on the website, just click and get started. Here you can upload a picture. Make sure to choose a character that's drawn on a white piece of paper, like I mentioned. Make sure that it's like a well-lit drawing. And here are some examples of drawings that they have for kids. So let's upload a photo. So we can upload the picture that I have, and it's gonna scan it. Next, I'm going to crop it. So find the character. Did the computer find your character? If not, you can adjust it. Sometimes if you drew 2 characters in, you may want to just adjust it so it can only find 1 character. I find it can only animate 1 character at a time. So once you've done that, you can click on the next button and it'll scan your drawing. Next is to separate out the character. Now this character, they want to make sure they got all the parts. Sometimes it could be like a straight line that's missing an arm. You can use the pencil or the eraser to include any missing components that maybe the website has missed. After you do that, you click on next. And then here is when they find the character joints. You can move around these circles to show where the joints end. So you can see because the character is like facing forward and it's like just like very distinct arms and legs, it makes it a lot easier for them to animate your characters. So now that everything is set up, I go to next, and this is where the magic happens. They start adding animation. So here is my character. There's so many different motions you can choose, but like this is my character just hopping, and it's just that easy. It doesn't take very long, it doesn't require a lot of technical skill. So you can make your character dance or wave. So here's my character. I think it worked out really well. So cute. And you can do this with your kids. Scan some of their artwork and make like into a GIF, or like you can choose different ways of dancing, funny, or like jumping or walking, like different animation as well. I am so surprised when I found this, and I had so much fun playing with it myself as well with the kids. I just had to share it with everybody to make sure that you had a chance to try it out if you haven't already. The service is completely free. I think there is a research component if you want to help them out, but this is how it looks like. As you can see, I'm just playing around with the different animations. You can only imagine if you do different characters or different doodles that you would like. It could be a bear, it could be an octopus. I'm not sure how an octopus will work, but you can see, you can try out the different animations that they have, and it just happens within seconds. No technical skills required. So I was really surprised how quickly it came together. And I also want to show you that if it didn't work out the first time, you can click on the fix button, and on the fix button you can go back and adjust the joints if it didn't work out the first time, and then click on next, because sometimes like maybe it didn't find the drawing just in the right way. You can also click on next drawing or share. You can download the animation or share as a video or on an email with a friend as well. So that is a quick review of a drawing that I made. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll show you other animations of a few other characters I did here. But that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Hope you find it helpful, and Hopefully I will see you in future videos. Take care and stay creative everyone. Bye for now.